You've heard it a million times. You need money to make money. It's the oldest rule in the book, and honestly, it's kind of a soul-crushing one, especially when you're stuck in that cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like you're just treading water, working your tail off, but getting absolutely nowhere. Have you ever had that sinking feeling? Your paycheck hits your account, and in what feels like a blink, it's gone. Poof, swallowed by rent, car payments, student loans, and that credit card balance that just hangs around like a bad smell. It leaves you right back at square one, totally exhausted, and wondering if the whole system is rigged. It makes you think financial freedom is a fairy tale for other people who got a head start. What if I told you that's the biggest lie in personal finance? What if the secret to building real, lasting wealth has almost nothing to do with a huge salary or some lucky break? In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step game plan for escaping that trap and building wealth, even if you're starting with nothing. And stick with me, because the first step isn't about money at all. It's about a little switch inside your head. Before we even touch a dollar, we have to talk about the most powerful financial tool you own, your mindset. Wealth isn't just a number in a bank account, it's a set of habits. And the one thing that everyone who built wealth from nothing has in common is that they first built a wealth-building mindset. This whole journey starts by tackling the most dangerous thought pattern there is, the scarcity mindset. That's the little voice in your head whispering, "I can't afford to invest," or "good opportunities just don't happen for me." This kind of thinking is a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe you're destined to be broke, you'll unconsciously make choices that keep you right there. You'll be too scared to take a smart risk, and you might even self-sabotage when you get a little ahead, because weirdly, being broke feels familiar. You have to shift your focus from what you lack to what's possible. Start seeing money not as a source of stress, but as a tool you can learn to master. See wealth not as something you're born into, but as something you build, brick by brick. Every self-made wealthy person made a conscious choice to stop being a victim of their circumstances and become a student of money. They read the books, listened to the podcasts, and learned the basic language of finance. This is your first and most important step. Decide right now that your financial past doesn't get to write your financial future. Your journey to wealth begins the second you believe it's possible. And hey, if you're new here and you're ready to take that journey, maybe subscribe, because we're going to build that future together. All right, with that new mindset locked in, let's get to the nitty-gritty. We're going to build your financial house from the ground up. You wouldn't build a skyscraper on a cracked foundation, right? Your money is no different. This takes 3 fundamental steps. You can't control what you don't measure. That's why your first practical mission is to create a budget. And look, if the word budget makes you want to run for the hills, don't think of it as a restriction. Think of it as a spending plan. It's you telling your money where to go instead of scratching your head and wondering where it went. For just 1 month, track every single dollar. Use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app, whatever works. The goal is to get a brutally honest snapshot of your spending. Once you have that data, you can make a simple plan. A really popular one is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, utilities, 30% to wants, eating out, fun stuff, and 20% goes straight to savings and paying off debt. That 20%? That's your wealth-building engine. Making that plan is the moment you stop being a passenger in your financial life. It's your first taste of real control. Before you can build an empire, you need a shield. In finance, that shield is your emergency fund. This is a stash of cash set aside for one job and one job only, to protect you when life does what it does best and throws you a curveball. A surprise car repair, an unexpected medical bill, a sudden job loss. Without this fund, those things send you straight back into debt, pushing you even further behind. Your first goal is a starter fund of about $1,000. Once you hit that, the bigger goal is to save up 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This money does not belong in your regular checking account. It needs to be separate but accessible. Put it in a high-yield savings account, HYSA. In early 2026, many of these accounts offer interest rates that are worlds better than a traditional savings account, often in the 2.5% to 4.0% range. This way, your financial shield isn't just sitting there, it's actually growing a little on its own. This step is completely non-negotiable. Your emergency fund is what buys you peace of mind and makes sure that one bit of bad luck doesn't completely derail your entire journey. With your shield in hand, it's time to go on the attack. Your biggest enemy, the monster actively destroying your ability to build wealth, is high-interest debt. This is the dragon you have to slay. I'm talking about credit card debt, payday loans, any loan with an interest rate over 8 to 10%. Why is this so critical? Because carrying that debt is like trying to run up a down escalator. You're working hard, but going backwards. The stock market historically returns about 7 to 10% on average over the long run. If you're paying 20% interest on a credit card, you are losing a guaranteed 20%. Paying off that card is a guaranteed 20% return on your money. No investment on earth can promise you that. The best weapon for this fight is the avalanche method. List all your debts by interest rate, highest to lowest. Make the minimum payment on everything, but then throw every single extra dollar you have at the debt with the highest interest rate. Once it's gone, you take all the money you were putting toward it and roll it like a giant snowball onto the next highest interest debt. This is the fastest and cheapest way to get out of debt. It builds incredible momentum and frees up your most powerful wealth-building tool, your income. Okay, you've built your foundation. You have a plan for your money, a shield to protect you, and you've slayed the debt dragon. Now for the fun part. It's time to make your money start working for you. This is where so many people get paralyzed. They hear investing and picture themselves needing to be a Wall Street genius with complicated charts. Total myth. For 99% of us, the best way to invest is also the simplest. You're going to become a passive investor through something called a low-cost, broad market index fund, or ETF. Here's the analogy. Instead of trying to find the one magic needle in a giant haystack, picking an individual stock like Apple, you just buy the entire haystack. An S&P 500 index fund, for instance, lets you own a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in the US. A total stock market fund like VTI gives you a slice of thousands of companies. This gives you instant diversification, which massively lowers your risk. And the best part? You don't need a pile of cash. Brokerages like Fidelity and Charles Schwab let you start with literally $1. The best place to do this is inside a tax-advantaged retirement account, like a 401k or a Roth IRA. If your job offers a 401k with a match, contribute enough to get that full match. It is literally free money. Don't leave it on the table. After that, open and contribute to a Roth IRA. For 2026, you can contribute up to $7,500 per year, $8,600 if you're age 50 or over. Money in a Roth IRA grows completely tax-free, which is an unbelievable advantage over the long haul. Don't try to time the market. Don't freak out when it dips. Just set up automatic, consistent contributions every single month. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's the secret sauce to long-term success. You're on the path. You have a solid system running. Now, the final step isn't about pinching more pennies. It's about pouring jet fuel on the fire you've already started. Think about it. There's a hard limit to how much you can cut your expenses, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. Once your financial system is in place, the fastest way to speed up your journey to wealth is to increase your income. This doesn't have to mean slinging burgers on the weekend, though it can. It could be strategically learning new skills to snag a promotion or a higher-paying job. It could mean starting a small side hustle based on something you already enjoy or are good at. Even an extra few $100s a month, when you channel it directly into your investments, can shave years or even decades off your timeline to financial freedom. This is the final piece of the puzzle. You started by taking control of your mindset, you built a solid defense, and you fired up a growth engine. Now, you're adding more power to that engine. This is how you go from zero to not just stable, but truly wealthy. The story of building wealth from nothing isn't a fairy tale. It's not about luck, and it's not about what family you were born into. It's a story told through small, smart, and consistent actions. It starts with believing you can. It's built on the boring but essential foundation of a budget and an emergency fund. It gains power by destroying high-interest debt. And it takes flight by consistently investing in simple, proven assets for the long haul. You don't need to be rich to start. The person who invests $100 a month, every month, will always end up wealthier than the person sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect moment or a big windfall that might never arrive. So, I'll ask you, what's the very first small step you're going to take today? Are you going to track your spending for the first time? Open that high-yield savings account? Or maybe just read one article about what a Roth IRA is? Declare it. Share that first step in the comments below. Putting it out there is a powerful way to commit. And if you want to keep going on this journey with clear, no-nonsense guidance, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your future self is going to thank you for it.